Guys, today in this video gonna to show you how to enable Windows 10 full screen start menu. So guys, if you want to enable Windows 10 full screen start menu, so very easy. Firstly click on start. After click on settings. After here click personalization. After click on start. And here use start full screen, so select on position. That is, you will see first result. Enable Windows 10 full screen start menu. So guys, this is very simple and easy. Firstly click on start. After click on setting. After click on this option, click on start and slash on position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method and quickly. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.